Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to restore Instagram deleted photos. But first, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will always be notified with our new uploads. So to start, let's go on my Instagram account and then let's click on my profile, and then here I'm going to delete a post or a photo. Okay. And then after deleting the post or the photo, let's go back on my profile. And then in order to restore the photo or the post, let's click on the three bar button at the top, go to your activity, and then click on the recently deleted. So as you can see here, these are my deleted post. So in order to restore it, just click the post or the photos that you just recently deleted. You can only restore the photo or the post within 30 days. Okay, so let's just click at the three bar button at the top and then click restore. And then let's go back to my profile and then let's refresh it. So as you can see here, the deleted post is already back in my feed. So that's how you restore an Instagram deleted photos. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions or comments, please do comment down below. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on our next video.